It's a very ancient saying, but a true and honest thought, that if you become a teacher, by your pupils you'll be taught. As a teacher I've been learning, you'll forgive me if I boast, and I've now become an expert on the subject I like most. Getting to know you, getting to know all about you, getting to like you, getting to hope you'll like me, getting to know you, putting my way but nicely, you're precisely